I feel like a little idiot just sitting there.
We're making dinner. Dinner with Axel and Lexi. Lexi is making steak. Axel is making potatoes. And I will make the vegetables. That's what Axel's mashed potatoes look like right now. So far. They're not very mashed potatoey yet, are they? No.
That's because there's no potatoes in there.
There's no potatoes in there yet. It's all butter, water, and salt. That is also not. I don't know. I don't know where Joker is. Look forward. There's Tara up there. Tara's up there. Who's steak?
I'm going to put this in the fridge so milk doesn't go bad.
Okay. We're making potatoes. And we have gravy. And green beans. And where'd they go? Oh. And corn. Can't forget the corn. Oops. It's alright. It was just me. So this is cooking. This is low cooking. Right? Luxord, low cooking.
I don't know about that.
Cooking with Luxord. CWL. No wait. CWLA. Cooking with Luxord and Axel.
Faster fast.
And the key. And the key. Oh. And Axel's butter water is turning into more buttery stuff. Looks so good. Hot good. Now put it that way.
And then it would bounce around in
That would have been bad. I almost ducked my little camera.
Splash.
Sizzle, sizzle,
I would have
sizzle.
been there like.
Gotta start all over again. Indeed. So Lexi is Man Sex's meters in there? Or is that somebody else? Where's Man Sex's meters? Let me see. Watch out. Let me see. That's Man Sex's 1 meter.
That's not even a meter. That's like
2 centimeters.
2 centimeters.
That is Man Sex's 2 centimeters. And here's the steak. Before it comes to my awesomeness. Whoa! I do not want a steak in my face. That would hurt.
Wouldn't be stick on the floor. Or be bad.
It would have landed in my face.
It went that way.
Huh?
It went that way.
Oh, yeah, it would have been on the floor.
And then it like catches.
Oh, look, I can see my toes.
And then Tara was
I can see Lexi's toes. And I see Axel's soft toes. Ooh, look. Oh, steak. Oh, steak. And that's mashed potato with goodness. But there's no goodness in it yet.
What is this?
So there's no mashed potato with goodness in it yet. Bye for now. I'm gonna go before I get in trouble.